friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are tackling something fun. Did you get it? That's right. It's a jigsaw puzzle.
Jigsaw puzzles are a great way to relax and challenge your mind. So, without further ado, let's get this jigsaw puzzle and get started.
This is a 500-piece puzzle, and now we're gonna start and make it.
It will take a little long time, but just wait.
We did it! Look at this masterpiece!
We hope that you enjoyed watching us making this beautiful puzzle.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification to get future videos from us. Happy puzzling! Bye!